Get help immediately if you see this bird flying near you, but it's just a bird. Why would anyone need help? The reason will shock you, and I'll tell you. Is this dangerous? But first, if you think this baby owl is adorable, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate fluffy birds. Comment A if you love animals. This strange bird is called the helmeted hornbill, and yes, it has a massive helmet on its face. That helmet is solid bone, and it uses it to ram into other birds mid-air like a feathered wrecking ball.